Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Mexican-style nachos, step by step. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need about 6 ounces of your favorite tortilla chips, 1 cup of shredded cheese like Monterey Jack or cheddar, 1/2 cup of fresh salsa, and 1/4 cup of pickled jalapenos. These simple components form the foundation for a truly satisfying and flavorful dish that everyone will love. Now that we have our base, let's prepare the delicious toppings. You'll want to brown about 8 ounces of ground beef or chicken, then season it with 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning for that authentic kick. Don't forget to dice 1 small onion and 1/2 of a bell pepper for a fresh crunch. For extra heartiness, consider adding 1/4 cup of black beans or refried beans to your mix. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to assemble. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, spread your 6 ounces of tortilla chips evenly across a baking sheet. Then, layer your seasoned meat and vegetables over the chips, ensuring good coverage. Finally, sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheese generously over everything. This layering creates perfect, cheesy bites in every single serving. Almost there, bake your assembled nachos for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, consider garnishing with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or a scoop of creamy guacamole for an extra burst of flavor. Serve your warm, gooey nachos immediately to enjoy them at their best. Get ready to savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.